I can finally start my new e-commerce brands without having to worry about how I will create UGC ads and different pieces of content. In this video, I am testing Maxfusion AI with Seendance 2.0 for UGC ads creation for different products or online tools. And honestly, the results will shock you. I'm not just saying this, I tested it myself for multiple products and I was impressed with the results. So Maxfusion, what is it? Maxfusion is an AI video and image creation tool that helps you create realistic ads in minutes, whether you need them for your product or your services. How it works is you just add a small script or a small prompt inside the video creator tool. You can add a reference image of the product that you're trying to create the UGC ad for, a reference video or a reference audio. And then it works as magic and it creates the more realistic professional UGC ads for different types of products without you having to give it too much detail. I know that I might sound like I'm hyping it up too much, but honestly, it is the best UGC ads creation tool that I've tried so far, and I've tried a few. So if you have a product but don't have a prompt, you don't know exactly what you want your UGC ad to say, that is super simple. Just go to Maxfusion, new project, select video, Seendance 2.0, and references. Then choose the 9:16 ratio, 15 seconds max, this depends on how long you want it to be, 1080 pixels quality, and then upload your reference image of a product or a video or sound if you have those. The videos that I generated, I only used a product image for. And I wrote some quick prompts with ChatGPT, or I just let Maxfusion decide for me, and I will show you exactly how I did it in a minute. But mainly, if you add one reference image of your product or multiple reference images and just say create a UGC style ad for this product, it writes the script for you directly. If you want to be sure that your product is really well showcased in the UGC video, make sure to upload multiple reference images. But if not, and it worked perfectly with one image of the product for me, so let me show you what I did. So I just went ahead and created a new project right here. And you can choose from this section right here that says talking actors. You can go to model and choose Seendance 2.0. So it will take you to videos, Seendance 2.0, and then references. You can also use a start frame or an end frame, but this is what I use. So I copied and pasted this prompt from ChatGPT. I just used it to give me a prompt and I said create a realistic vertical UGC video of a woman trying on this clothing product in a bright bedroom mirror, and I just selected the quality, the time, and 9:16 ratio, and I uploaded the reference image. I chose this for a swimsuit. Then while it was generating, I went ahead and kept going because you can generate multiple ones. You don't have to wait for one to be generated to start another one. So then I chose a skincare product. So I chose this one right here. I upload the reference image. I can just upload one. And then I just wrote a little text. If your skin has been feeling dry, tired, or less glowy lately, this is the kind of product I would add into my routine. And I just click generate. That's it. Moving on, I chose an image of a POD sweatshirt that I created. And I just added the photo of the model that I generated with AI as well. And I said create a new UGC style video for this. And that's it. I clicked generate. I selected another swimsuit and I said create an ad for this swimsuit with a blonde woman at the beach enjoying the weather. Click generate again. Then I chose a lip product and I said just generate an ad for this product. Next, another swimsuit, a presentation ad for this swimsuit. Then again, create a UGC style ad for this product, and I uploaded an eyeshadow palette. And I said a woman applying eyeshadow with a brush. So that's what I wanted to be included in the video. Then I said create a UGC style ad for these jeans with a woman trying them on in front of a mirror, holding a smartphone, and then walking in them as well. So you can just describe the frames that you want Maxfusion to add in your UGC video. Then I said create a UGC style ad for this product, and I selected another product. And I did this for multiple types of products as well. So Right now we're going to take a look at what it generated and exactly how it did everything beautifully. So let's take a look at them together. The first one is of the woman in the mirror in the swimsuit. And this one is really, really nice. It just holds the phone, moves really slowly. The room looks super real and is just a simple try on UGC style video. This works for UGC ads, but also for just content for your brand, no matter the product that you're selling. Next, for the skincare product, it presented the product in daylight and then added a UGC actor, basically a woman just using the product on her face. Everything looks super realistic, and then holding the product and showing her face. Super good.
If your skin has been feeling dry, tired, or less glowy lately, this is the kind of product I'd add into my routine.
For the mama sweatshirt, she just walks there, smiles, and this is perfect for a presentation video if you want to add it to your Etsy store or your Shopify store as well. This with the swimsuit at the beach, it presents the swimsuit so well, and I only added one reference image, so this is really, really good. And it looks super realistic too. For the lip product from Bare Minerals, it presented the product in the studio, then apply the product on the lips, keeping the product color consistent, and then the model wearing the product and holding it as well. Looks like a professional did this in a studio. Another swimsuit at the beach, the presentation video, the water looks so real, and everything else as well. Now for the eyeshadow palette, it presented it so nicely. It looks so real when she picks up the eyeshadow and then applies it on the eye. Again, no glitches, absolutely nothing. They're short but very, very good, very well created.
Obsessed with these shades, so pigmented and easy to blend.
The jeans, trying them on and walking in them outside as well. Now for the UGC style ad for the foundation, she also speaks in this one, so it looks really realistic as well. Putting it on the face, the texture and everything.
Guys, I found my holy grail foundation. 24-hour wear, let's test it. Look at this finish. No cap, it's flawless, obsessed.
It looks like a real person doing a UGC style ad. Again, one with a swimsuit, kept all the product characteristics, close-up presentation, and again, super realistic. Now, when you select 15 seconds, you need to make sure that the text is little enough to fit in a natural speaking tone. If you add too many words, Maxfusion does put them all together, but the speaking is really fast, so that might kind of ruin your UGC ads. This is something that I learned. Just add the text that would fit in the 15-second timeline, but still really, really good if you want to do an ad with information. Now for the Rhode Glazing Milk, I tried an ad for this. Again, just added this picture and this is what it generated.
Rhode Glazing Milk, and honestly, this is the product I reach for when my skin feels dry, dull, or just needs that extra glow. It's a lightweight, milky essence that makes your skin feel instantly softer and more hydrated without feeling heavy or sticky. I love using it right after cleansing before moisturizer because it gives my skin that plump, fresh, glazed look.
And then the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, again, very realistic and it stays consistent to the consistency of the product. And it actually looks very real.
This foundation is for the days when I need my makeup to actually last. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and honestly, it gives that smooth, polished, full coverage look without me having to constantly touch up. What I love is that it covers really well, but it still looks like skin when you blend it properly. It doesn't disappear after a few hours, it doesn't move around easily, and it gives that clean days, long days out, or anytime I want my makeup to look fresh.
And for the final UGC ad, I added this brow fixing gel, and the UGC ad turned out beautifully. The expressions are on point, the product, the color of the product.
This is for the days when my baby hairs and brows just refuse to stay in place. This is the Got To Be Glued for Brows and Edges gel, and it's honestly such an easy product to keep in your bag. It's clear, it applies really easily, and it dries fast, so I can quickly smooth my edges or shape my brows without it feeling too complicated. What I like is it gives that clean, simple for sleek baby hairs, fluffy brows, or just a more put together look. Try this one.
How it's being used, exactly the use cases, and I just used a small prompt that I got from ChatGPT. I don't know about you, but if you ask me, these are all some of the best UGC ads that I've seen AI generate. So I will definitely be using Maxfusion for my e-commerce brands in the near future. It takes a product image and puts the product on the model so easily, so flawlessly, and I am really impressed with it. Now, another thing that you can use it for, you can use it to generate videos of your own face or of your own models or things like that by using a start frame and an end frame references. For example, if you have an online tool that you want to promote, if you want to create a UGC style ad of yourself speaking about a tool that you're promoting, something that you can show physically, like a website builder, an online research tool, or something like that. So I just added pictures of myself and very easily just added the prompt, what I wanted to say, and it created these videos. It even added icons and B-roll so you can see exactly what it did. This takes a little bit of work. This one also, I speak in it as well. Again, the text needs to be enough to fit in the 15 seconds. And it makes some mistakes when it comes to text, but if you don't want it to add text, just make sure to mention that in the prompt. But other than that, it looks really realistic, and it kept my face and everything super consistent. So Maxfusion really does it all. I think you saw the results, and let me know in the comments if you love them, because I think they are great. And usually with UGC ads, you had the trouble before that they weren't really realistic, that they didn't look like a real person. But now AI is getting better and better, and with Seendance 2.0, you can make these look super realistic and keep your product consistent across every frame in the video. So whether you want to use it to create UGC ads for your product or for your services, Maxfusion is the perfect way to go. If you want to invest in a tool that actually delivers results, I really recommend trying it out at the link below. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create another tutorial on Maxfusion using it on different physical products for your e-commerce store. If you're interested in that, I can definitely do that to show you more of how it works. If you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful to you and for your e-commerce business growth, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!